So on the Schroeder farm, I'm going to discuss the problems of having farm animals and what their purposes are. It's for food sometimes, you know? And the worst thing that you could probably do is come emotionally attached to some of these animals. It's just sometimes you do, you know what I mean? You're just giving them food and rubbing their back and telling them they're pretty, you know? And that's what I did with this big guy. Oh, and hopefully he doesn't get a little too physical on me because he hurts. He's over 300 pounds. I know it. You fat fuck. It's the day, and he's got to go. I'm trying to tell him I feel bad, you know, and it's life. God, I hate crying because I look ugly when I cry. Ah, bud. Oh. Okay. You gotta give me a hug, I know. Keep me warm, though. Get the shot. Oh, yeah. Tub of love. Oh. You were like weird, like, no, I don't have relations with my pig. Sorry. Strictly friends. He's never tried to hump me. My dog over there watching me make sure I'm okay. Aki, aki, aki. You see me coming over here crying because I had to tell my pig that it's his last day and he's about to die. I love you, piggy piggy. You gotta give him some love, you know? Because, you are what you eat. I found love. It's going to be some really good sausage. Any food that comes off of the Schroeder farm is definitely going to be 100% love.